Good morning, fabulous friends. Princess Tessa here with another fabulous video. Welcome to my fabulous life, where I take you on fabulous adventures of shopping, dining, makeup tutorials, traveling, so much more. If that sounds like something that you would like to watch, then please consider subscribing now and hit that notification bell to get notifications on when I post other fabulous videos. So today we're going to head to Dunkin Donuts for some breakfast, and then we're going to come back and prepare to get my bedroom painted. I'm so excited. Now on with the show. Good morning, fabulous friends. What a great breakfast at Dunkin Donuts. Fabulous. So I am back in my bedroom, and as you can see, they have been doing a little bit of prepping on the walls, getting stuff that needs to be taken care of. And then also last night I turned on our fan, and apparently with all the dust and debris, shorted out the fan. So we went to Marvin's and got a new fan for the bedroom, which I actually like a whole lot better. Here's a little clip of the fan. So that fan is a lot more fabulous than the one that I already have up. More Princess Tessa style. And it's going to look great with the new bedroom color. We're going to be painting the walls pixie dust pink, and then on the wall of drawers and closet it's going to be a really pretty off-white. It's called Ibis, I believe it's called. So it's going to look fabulous in here. And then I believe they're going to start on painting the ceiling first, and they're going to of course paint that white because it's a major need. Look at that. So things are coming along nicely. Alright, fabulous friends. So while we are waiting for the paint guy to get here, we're also waiting on my 9 o'clock grooming to get here. So right now I'm sitting with our boarding guest. Say hello, Spotty. Say hello. Say hello. Yes, you go, Bowie. Yes, you go, Bowie. Yes, he is. Yes, he is. Alright, fabulous friends. So our grooming has arrived. This is a Boykin Spaniel. So he's going to be getting she is actually going to be getting a little haircut. She is a bit matted, actually a lot matted. And so I've already shaved out a couple of the mats in her ears, and he's kind of brushing her out for me so we can get her prepped and get ready to get the haircut. So we're doing good, and our fabulous construction workers are here and ready to work.
Oh, this ain't gonna be bad, man.
Hello, fabulous friends. So we're coming outside to check on the progress, and I have my mask on because, well, all this dust and stuff is activating my asthma, so that's what I'm doing. Alright, fabulous friends, so now that we are done grooming, now we're going to head over to the bank and then to Miso Sushi to have some lunch. fabulous friends. So we're here at Miso Sushi here in West Point. Got my Diet Coke. Refreshing. So I ordered this salmon teriyaki box. It's a bento box, and I'm super excited about that. And then Prince Jason, what are you getting?
Got the shrimp yakisoba.
That sounds good. And then Mom, what did you get?
Chicken teriyaki.
Ooh, that sounds good. So we will wait for that to get here. So we'll see. OMG, fabulous friends, 10 out of 10 crowns from the salmon teriyaki bento box to the cheesecake tempura. It was amazing. I mean, yum, yum. Alright, now we're heading back to our wonderful place, and I'll be doing some more filming around with what work is going on. And of course, we got to bathe our 2 hotel guests because they are going home tomorrow. So here we go. Fabulous friends, so we thought we'd come out here and do a little bit of seeing what is going on out here. So let's have a look.
Look here. Let this stuff be drying for more. Let me go talk to you.
Hey fabulous friends, boy was this a fun but busy day. So I'm going to end the video here. If you like today's video, please comment down below and let me know what you think. Also, please give us a big giant thumbs up, because with every thumbs up, as it looks a sparkle to my tiara. I hope all of you dream big, live your story, and I hope you all have a fabulous day. Bye y'all!